Hello, welcome to Global Peace by 2027. This is Global Prayer Chain. We pray for peace in Eastern Europe, 40-day prayer condition, already the seventh one. And all the description is below the video, and there is a suggestion playlist. You could turn on suggestion playlist and sanctify places via praying direct presence of God. And let's a little bit inspire with the Messiah's coming words. Now is the time to reflect upon the fact that we have not contributed enough to the world peace. Now is the time for each person to develop true love, which is the origin and basic element of world peace. We will have to come to the point of interacting with each other with true love, knowing that this is the shortest road to attain world peace. Any one of us who insults or is hostile to our neighbor cannot contribute to world peace or God's providence. The world today is awash with problems. To stop the rush toward corruption and immorality and ingraining people the way of goodness, we need to establish a true sense of values and a corresponding standard of universal morality. We have to call together all people of conscience and deep faith and educate them to the workers of true love of our eternal God, workers who can practice the true love of God and true parents. Regardless of age and gender, so many people throughout the world today are starving for true love. In other words, they are waiting for true people to emerge who are able to live for the sake of others. If we can establish the tradition of true love, all religions will be united. God and all humanity will be united, and our new hope, God's original intended the ideal of creation will be fulfilled. Then let us push forward with establishing the ideal world which Jesus also saw. Let us show to world and our young people that a new age of peace, an age of true families, an age of blossoming of true humanity is dawning. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude again for so warmly welcome. My family, may God bless you, your family, your country. Okay, this was quotes for today. Okay, Harem, welcome. Maybe you could say some short, powerful message for peace for and education for peace.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your live stream and for your meeting, and for those people who are our members in Global Peace. And thanks for your beautiful topic. And yeah, education is so important for all of the nations, even if we use in the correct way, we can be useful with that. And for education is so important for peace and for stopping war, do not killing each other. And it's really important if we use at the same time for our science and for everything, education for all of the nations, even for those new generation who doesn't have experience about the war and about the poverty, about the starvation, and about the find the food. And maybe they don't have information about those things, but education is important. If we giving them education, and if they will be an educated person, they never think about war and about like in fighting, about killing. And nobody can be useful with the war. Every countries are loser, even those countries who are showing themselves like in a success country, they are the first loser. So we should use education and for peace at the first, and for stopping war, and even for equality, for equity, even for providing, even for caring those poor people in the world. And we can be a like in a pity person for them and be kindness with those people. And we should have an education for everything in our real life. Even for cooperation between countries to countries and organization to organization, for do something good, for example, for charity work, and for providing food for those country who doesn't have food. even for stopping war, for peace, for real life. It's so important that we have education in all of the sectors in life.
Yes, thank you so very much. So good
Welcome,
to hear from
welcome, sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, please join my prayer too. Dear Heavenly Parent, we are so happy to meet you alive here. As we are meeting here daily, we pray for peace, for ultimate goal of peace by 2027, also for urgent peace in Eastern Europe. Dear Heavenly Parent, please bless those families who are joining this meeting online or offline. I pray for Harem family in Middle East, and I'm in Europe. Heavenly Parent, please lead us and understand how we could understand you better, because you educate us, you children, from the Stone Age to today's developed world. And everything is by you education, because all of this wisdom, all of this universe, from the molecules, energy, from atoms to universes, many universes, they are you masterpiece, and you do it by you science, and also you inspire in this you energy, and the human, you infiltrate this soul. And this is very important, that we could feel, and we could hear, and we could understand you, we could understand each other, and we want to use this brilliant emotions that you give us of true love to help each other, dear Heavenly Parent, to have a compassion. Unfortunately, nowadays there is a different education still remaining about fighting, but this was infiltrated from the original scene, coming from first family who fell, Adam and Eve, and they bring this fighting and killing with the brothers, Cain and Abel. But enough is enough. Humanity get the highest level of development nowadays, and because we are living in the science and coming time, and now is the greatest possibility to build world peace by 2027, because everything is in our hand, and education and the technology, everything. So we pray very much, dear Heavenly Parent, please help us even more to understand how to not fight, and how to avoid these traps of the spiritual world, the resentful spirits who inspire people to fight, all of these resentments, angry feelings, to get rid of them, because as our brother Harem said, that there is no win in the war. Nobody could win in this, because we are all brothers and sisters, and we shouldn't kill each other, but should live, love each other and help each other. And please lead us with this greatest education that the Messiah is coming bring, that strong families are leading to powerful nations and world peace. So we really pray for this education that inspire family values, that families will be stronger and will never divorce, but they will develop this true love all their life, develop in their couple, in their family, and their with their children. And all of this education is supposed to go in the schools and the communities, countries, and the world. Education of true love, that we are all one family, and we see an older man somewhere in another country, we could help him as our grandfather, and the same we supposed to have the same attitude to all human family. Heavenly Parent, please receive this 1st of December, the start of new month, till the end of the year is just 30 days. So please lead us to understand this year, and understand what you educate us, what you teach us, and how to plan next year better. Dear Heavenly Parent, please receive this short report and everything we bring to your altar as a pure offering. And I pray in my name as Nikolai Kerpava, Center Blessed Family. Adieu, amen, amen, amen.
Yeah, I mean, peace
Yeah.
for the world, for all of the countries.
Yes, yes. May God hear you and do it immediately.
Yeah.